so she not gonna way. Cause Britany knows so she do them don't like her outside. Them don't like the blood clot girl outside. And a fact, I'm here tell you look all blood clot. They do the blood clot body man, a lick body. You go get fuck. You go fuck on the wrong blood clot female. And you man go come dirt your blood clot. Me I tell that. So you can't come on the blood clot me. You come talk about, oh, me I talk my story. And move your dirty blood clot and go away. Remember you can show your face man in the media. Say better walk blood clot carefully. Hear you? Remember you have fans out there rate blood clot Britany. Or we do blood clotting for she, yeah? Might not in a Jamaica, but you have people out of Jamaica who rate the blood clot. Girl, me I tell you no count on the blood clot days. Cause food the blood clot days a blood clot come. So you look at all blood clot man. Hey, me think I want young boy, you know? All blood clot man. You could have been my blood clot grandfather. Great grandfather. You own a blood clot. As a all blood clot man, you bad man, you little girl, you all no bomber clot. You better make sure you don't have no blood clot daughter out there, yeah? Make blood clot sure you send another daughter out there, drunker, all blood clot, shitty batty man boy. Suck batty boy, cause you can't blood clot rate female and treat female like that. We have a blood clot angry man, who even blood clot no. Who know even bomber clot no, I'm angry. I just become telling you, I'm busy while I could a blood clot come live, come talk about the situation, people. The all blood clot, long cocky batty boy. We not tap on the family batty boy or lick on the batty, you know. And if a blood clot, a God no for blood clot because a God make you know as a blood clot, man. One no one come eat with for. You're big and all in the blood clot. As a all blood clot, man. You're all dirty blood clot man like you. All long cocky batty man like blood clot you. Eh? Come off from a blood clot life if you don't like me. No, come off from my life. If you don't like me, come off from that and suck on the mother deep. Come people tell me suck my mother, I don't like it. So I go tell me suck my one no like. Go suck on the mother deep there, take your blood clot father, cocky, and open it out and take one straw and push down your father cocky and suck up every sperm out of your daddy cocky. Go and go blood clot and come off from my blood clot live. That's why I be a Jamaica and suffer and blood clot hungry and can't make it out. Because no bad man and no have too much bad man and no blood clot heart. No bring down one another. That's why no can't blood clot somebody have done that. And that's why no blood clot at Jamaica will never stop blood clot hungry than that. No gonna stop blood clot hungry than this. No two bad man against no one another. No envy, no bad man no one no move no blood clot hungry. So I can't serve no phone. That's why I go suffer than that. I go suffer than that blood clot because I bring down the one and come like a crab in a blood clot barrel. And prove your blood clot to me say if your blood clot uno Jamaican uno fi hungry. Uno fi blood clot hungry. Because it's your own Jamaican further rise up. Uno see girl nice no protect her no man. Protect her no man. Uno blood clot bad man no one beat up a girl. I say uno girl like party me say uno better blood clot lucky thing. Me never blood clot today. What me say? Uno blood clot girl night party, uno better lucky thing blood clot Tamara never blood clot did they? Cause me that jump in that fear and me don't blood clot no, me don't wanna like for her. Me even want Brit for blood clot no me don't wanna like for nothing for her. But some blood clot time no can defend blood clot people. Uno bring down blood clot, carry down uno bad mind no one another, that's not no how to protect no one another. You don't have to know somebody to look out for blood clot somebody. You have daughter out there, you have son, you have blood clot cousin, who don't feel as people go out there and ill-treat no blood clot family member. But me can't tell you no blood clot girl, you know, me can't tell you, you know. That's how God make me no blood clot live at Jamaica, because me can't tell you if me ever got a party and me see what one girl. Me jump in that blood clot. You see all the girl we are Britany head, and I just hold and pan for your blood clot and come from. Me even blood clot know me yet, man. Me never seen a girl left beat me, you know, yet. But me the girl left beat me in a blood clot barn yet. I never blood clot fight and lose a fight yet. I'm a 27 step on this blood clot earth. I never blood clot fight and lose yet. Me say when me jump, when me say I'm sick, me don't even know what me da do with no bomber clot. You don't even know what me da do with no. Anyone me do blood clot there. You don't know. If a bomb, you don't know me yet, you don't know me. Myself blood clot girl like crazy. I Britany sister don't even know, so I don't know the girl for now. But sometimes I have to look out for each blood clot other. Don't block that person. I swear to them, because stop my eyes. You know what you gonna do? Use your blood clot and them ears and use your blood clot father cocky and hold on pan and take one straw and put it and go suck it. Go suck off your father cocky and go suck out your mother pussy and go suck you all of your family member them girl and come off from my life. Me can bet you don't know where any meal come from right now. You come from my life and tell me if you stop my knives. You don't know where next meal a blood clot come from. Me dey from my life normally and get my blood clot use them normally. Me people them from my life and know this. Me no business what blood clot views and followers because the same on the view and follow me no don't blood clot like me. So I don't care. I care zero about blood clot views and followers. If TikTok could have limit who come from my blood clot live, my limit who come from my blood clot live because no found no real. No found no blood clot real pan this app. You know, me say if TikTok could have limit and say yo the 64 people with blood clot follow me add something. If I them alone could watch me live, me feel blood clot comfortable. Go suck your mother views now do nothing for me. Come off from my page. Go clean out your house, your bathroom, good as a stink of shit. You don't know, you don't even know which one of shit night I and don't flush it. Go focus on that, brother, and come off from my life. And go suck with the mother and the father deep. Because anybody tell me about my mother and father, I feel away. See, if you think I'm not going to hurt me, that make a blood clot tell me, come off from my life. We show no, I'm going to like somehow, no. Come off from my blood clot life. Because no fan no company and go worry about my life. Go focus on the full life. That's like, you see, that's why someone at Jamaica can't blood clot make it out. Because on poverty done there, on bad mind is done there, on envy done that blood clot. And that's why that's why the 5 times I go to her, I don't want to find a blood clot heal me. Because so if me drunk and dip on the road and push me and jam my blood clot, it beat me, it box me up on my blood clot face. Me I tell her, Britany need some bodyguard around her. Britany need to take some Brit, you need to take some money where you got and pay some blood clot bodyguard for watch you and turn up this or so. No blood clot body can come video yard or then can video from a blood clot far. You have your money, baby girl. Get 2 blood clot, not even forget, you know. Get 2 Jamaican youth, rate you, because I know them still exist. 1 pan left, 1 pan the blood clot right when you got your look party them. You know go out alone. Chart your little car with your 2 blood clot bodyguard them side there, you turn up and enjoy yourself because you want to notice blood clot, you don't need nobody to enjoy yourself. You turn up and wine and enjoy yourself by yourself. You don't need no body girl. Open up your blood clot, yai them girl. And you see same thing, people in our community bring her down and she must spend much blood clot money for back to school. And me know see in our community go get it. You see in our community now bring down on the whole on a bad mind girl on a envy blood clot girl. But no one sell, because if you want to bring her down and the more she got blood clot rise. The more, because so I bring down our community, you know. Some of my community people them bring me down, you know. And so them blood clot bring me down and some my blood clot rise. And so them bring me down and some rise. So I feel like I saw now bring us Britany go rise past on a blood clot. On a bad mind. And let's say you man, me wish me could have stayed in a real life. And that me I tell you. Wish me could have my brother. Cause me and the father just treat me like a blood clot man. Me and your warrior. We see blood clot war. I'll stab up your blood clot in your neck. Be a stab in your neck. Be a blood clot stab to your neck pussy hole. Go suck your mother. Where you feel like when you come Tom girl in the face, he's a batty boy. You is a batty boy. You one of them where Brita talk about you have no blood clot woman on the other and they would have fuck man of them batty, then go to Jamaica, then go home and a fuck on a blood clot woman of them pussy raw. You not care nothing about the blood clot girl. You not bring down. That is why me no call blood clot followers and views and news and so on with me. Because the moment me go down the night down, the moment you now see man a video me and bring me down. And that me notice you know pussy hole on this app. And I go tell you again, you go suck on the mother. I know no like it, so I can go suck on the mother. Go take 1 blood clot straw and push down on the mother hole and suck up every blood clot thing out of it. Now that time if you go suck on the mother, because you don't have nothing but blood clot, you know. As a blood clot Jamaican. Move on a bomber clot and go at my phone door. I don't blood clot like, you know. I don't. That's why sometimes me want to help someone, you know, when me have to think about who's a blood clot help. Me have to think about who's the blood clot help. Oh my God. Some blood clot, big rumble clot thumping a face in a man. The girl are getting a man. Oh God, man. And a so good blood clot girl pan ya come talk about say what she do so far pan blood clot stage I do. That's why no found no man beat up no blood clot I had because no see man slump on the blood clot phone, you know. I say, yeah, man, decide on a blood clot, man. I say, yeah, man, she forget thump up, she forget backs up. That's why some man say, yeah, man, I saw on a pray. I saw on a pray, thumping your blood clot face when you turn the argument. Because you think, say, yeah, it's okay for another female get beaten. Whooping your blood clot teeth, whooping your blood clot belly. Because you know love support blowing man beat blood clot woman. Say, same time, fool no man a beat them. Whooping your blood clot face because you like when time the girl get beat up. Say, it's okay if you get it. Whooping your bumper clot neck, whooping your blood clot back. That's why some man get beaten, done, beaten on blood clots upon a one that won't get it for. Because no man say no support blood clot beating. So them say it's okay for them beat out on a bumper clot. But she too enough. That's why una get some una get beaten on a pussy with all board. Whoop it on a pussy with board. And I wonder why man have start beating. Because no same thing that on the media bring down another girl. So only thing another man I gotta do it, don't know. We think the next man I gotta do it blood clot. On a beat on the blood clot board on the blood clot hole. Beat out on a bumper clot. Can no support blood clot woman. How much blood clot woman did you see when the blood clot boy and you know a female jump up on the stage and defend the girl? Who know as blood clot female don't jump up on that stage and defend the blood clot girl? Every day you know show me say yo leave them females alone, Tamara. Stop help them females, yeah. Leave them a blood clot alone. Allow them alone. Cause them same female where you go help when you're in the dirt, them same when you go take a blood clot, I'm gonna nail you further than the blood clot dirt. But me say, that's why sometimes Britany talk when I say Britany mad. She don't blood clot mad. Look, see on a pre the little girl. Pre what the little girl I say. You know wicked out there. That's why I know hungry. That's why I know hungry down there. And now go stop blood clot hungry down that. And I wonder, oh God, now blood clot bless you know. God walk to cleanse the heart. Clean up your blood clot heart, man. You're not too dirty for your Jamaican people. And who's a Jamaican man, just because Britany come and make it open here because you know out there fuck with a friend and them body and then I come fuck in a fool pussy with a dirty stinking self. And the girl attack so you can weak and open through eyes and do blood clot better. That's why you know dirty man don't like a blood clot girl at Jamaica.